Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to launch Clickbank Marketing Affiliate. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to start on Clickbank, how to navigate the dashboard, how you can actually promote some products, and so on and so forth. So with that being said, go to your computer browser and head on to clickbank.com. So once you're in the Clickbank website, click on login here. Please don't click on start here. Just click on login right about here, and it will automatically go to create an account right here. And once you click on that, just enter all the fields necessary, like the country you're residing, your first name, your last name, the phone number, your active phone number rather, so make sure your phone number is active, your valid email address, and of course your password. So once you have done that, just click on continue to terms and conditions and go to create account. Now once you have done that, as you can see right here, I have already created my account. So this is the dashboard actually. So these are the potential earnings that you have by promoting the product. So for now, I don't have earnings because we are still starting, or I'm still starting rather. And as you can see, you have the most recent paychecks by account. So once you start earning, all of the earnings you have will actually reflect right here. So once you have done that, let's go to affiliate marketplace. So this is where you will start promoting some products. So as you can see right here, you have some top offers, some new offers, and some saved offers. So what I usually do is I'm going to click on top offers right here. So as you can see right here, these are the top offers. So it has a total of 2,214 results. So this is the name of the product, and this is the description of a product, a brief description, and this is the gravity score. So this is basically like a score based on the number of unique affiliates generating sales. So this is basically a score on what the product is all about. And the initial conversion rate, so this is the average commission earned per conversion without rebills, and the recurring rebill. So this is the average commission earned per rebill of recurring sales. So as you can see, there are a lot under top offers right here. So you also have some categories where you can actually break down some of the offers right here. So once I click on the e-business and marketing, it has a breakdown right here. It will break down all of the offers or products on e-business and marketing. So what I usually do personally is I'm going to click on all right here, and as you can see right here, there are a lot of categories based on your interest. So personally, in my book, the top offers that generates quickly are computers and internet, e-business and e-marketing, and of course health and fitness. So these are the three that actually generates more income regarding on market affiliate. So for example, once I click on art and entertainment, as you can see, they only have 55 results. So the gravity score is only very low right here, and as you can see, the conversion rates, the average conversion is only a little bit low. So let's go back to all. But once I click on e-business and marketing, for example, let's go to affiliate marketing. It has a lot of results, and as you can see, the gravity score is very high. So once you have done that, once you have selected a category that you want to promote, all you have to do is to sort results right here. So make sure to sort the rankings by high to low. So as you can see right here, these are the top categories or the top products under affiliate marketing. So again, this is the title and some description right here. So once I have done that, I'm going to click on promote right here to start promoting. Now under promoting, in order for you to earn a commission, all you have to do is select a nickname account. So once you go to your dashboard right here, go to the account nickname, and this is the account nickname we currently have. So for now, I'm just gonna copy my account nickname and just simply paste this one right here. So tracking ID is optional, and if you have a tracking ID, just simply paste it right there if you have. Now next, all you have to do is click on create hop link. Now as you can see, once you have created hop link, a URL or a link will automatically generate. So this is the link that you will share to your potential customers or to your page or to whatever a strategy you have. This is the link that you will share in order for you to earn. So once a potential customer will actually click on this link, for example, I have clicked on that link, it will automatically go to the landing page of the particular product that we have just recently promote. So as you can see right here, it is still, I'm checking if the site connection is secure. So this may take a little more time as usual, depending on your connection. So as you can see right here, we have already have gone to our link right here that we have copied. And for example, if a potential customer actually registers for this link or paid for this link or paid for this particular product that we have recently promoted right here, you will get $223.80. So that's big money right about there. So just make sure to actually, always copy the link in order for you to earn a commission. So next is I'm going to teach you some affiliate tools. So affiliate tools are some strategy for you to actually where to actually sell or where to actually promote this particular link. So I'm just going to click on affiliate page right here. And as you can see right here, you can now register as an affiliate now. You can now earn about $1,000 a day for fast track. So you can just scroll down. You can just read on this real quick, and you can actually register some promote and earn. So these are the frequently asked questions. So you can just read on this real quick if you want to take affiliate marketing seriously. So I guess that's it for this video, and I hope you find this video helpful. And if you have some questions, some comments, and even some suggestions, just feel free to comment it down on the comment section below. So with that being said, that's it for this video, and I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course, click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!